Hello, welcome back to another video. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to turn on that bell notification so that you always get notified each time I upload a new video. And do not forget to like this video and leave your comments for me in the comment section. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how I made this perfect smoky jollof rice. I'm going to be sharing with you tips in achieving your own perfect smoky jollof rice. So if you're interested in this kind of video, then keep on watching, guys. Let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much, guys, for subscribing to this channel. You're highly welcome to this amazing family. My name is Chidera and I'm a content creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. I make videos on food and everything food. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get started. So here I have my blended jollof mix, and in here I have my tatashi, my shombo, that's the long red chili pepper. I have my ginger, my garlic, my onions. I also have my tomatoes. I boiled my tomatoes, my scotch bonnet pepper, my shombo and tatashi, and then I blended it to some onions, ginger and garlic. So here is my rice. I'm using the regular long green rice. And this is my chicken. I'll be using chicken for this jollof rice. I have some onions here for cooking my chicken. And I also have some grated pepper here. I'll also be using it to cook my chicken. I'll be using all this to spice the chicken. So now we are going to start by cooking our chicken. And number one thing in making your own perfect jollof rice is to season your stock very well. Okay, so I'm going to be going in now with my scotch bonnet pepper, so I blended this pepper with some onions and garlic. I'll be going in now with my onions, and then I'll go in with my seasoning cube. I'm using the regular Maggi star. Yes, I'll add in my thyme, my curry powder, and then I'll go in with some water. So guys, because the meat is frozen, I won't be able to properly stir the meat. I'm just going to cover the pot and let it cook. I'll come back and stir it off camera. So guys, our meat is cooked now. I'm going to bring this down and we'll start making our jollof rice. If you have watched up to now and you have not liked and subscribed, please like and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so guys, I'll be using this pot now to prepare my rice. You don't need a non-stick pot to make your own jollof rice. If not, you're going to end up spoiling your pot. So I'm going to start by heating up some oil in a dried pot, and then I will go in with some onions, I'll add in bay leaf now, then I'll go in with my thyme, and I'll add in curry powder. I'm going to stir this and I will allow this to fry for 2 minutes, okay? So guys, 2 minutes later, I'll be adding in my tomato paste. So guys, I'm using the Sonia tomato paste. I'm going to stir this now and fry for about 8 to 10 minutes, okay? You can taste yours to make sure that the tomato paste is no longer sour. So now that our tomato paste has fried, I'll be adding in my jollof mix. So I'm going to fry this again for about 8 minutes or until the oil starts to float at the top, okay? So guys, another tips in making your own perfect jollof rice is to make sure that your base looks like stew, just like this, okay? Make sure that your base looks like stew, okay, as you can see from the video. So now I'll be going in now with my seasoning cube. So I'm going to stir this now. And then I'll be adding in my salt. I'll add in salt, okay? I'll go in with my meat stock now. I'll add in some water. Then I'm going to mix this properly. I will cover the pot now and allow this to come to a boil. So now I'll be adding in my rice. I'm going to mix the rice. and then I'm going to cover the pot, allow this to cook on low heat. 12 minutes later, I came back to check on the rice, and now I will flip and turn this rice. This is so the one under can come up and the one up can go down. This is so that the rice can cook perfectly, okay? See guys, the aroma in this kitchen, I'm going to cover now and continue cooking the rice. And I came back again to check on the rice. I'm still going to repeat the same process. Now I'm going to be adding in my remaining onions, and then I'll be smoking the rice. I will cover the pot and increase the heat on high heat, okay, so that the smoke can cover the rice. I'm going to smoke this for about 3 to 4 minutes, and I'll allow the smoke to settle in the rice. So guys, look how yummy this rice is already looking like. I hope you are enjoying this video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Will you be trying out this video? And guys, our rice is ready. So now I'm going to be dishing out this rice, and I'll be enjoying the rice with my peppered chicken. Look how yummy this rice is already looking like. If you have watched up to now and you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, and do not forget to like this video and leave your comment for me in the comment section, okay? Hope you'll be trying out this recipe. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much guys for watching, and until I come your way next time, please stay safe. Bye.